Therefore, what we call the heavens and the earth, with all their vastness, depth, and multitude, are indeed actually meant for us humans to use our intellectual capacity given by Allah the Mighty and Majestic. Our existence may be small, but our intellectual side is certainly truly capable of mathematically representing all these on a piece of paper. We can turn and calculate and analyze our planet, our solar system, similar systems, then the galaxy, and then similar galaxies, gradually being able to see the magnitude here. So Allah the Mighty and Majestic has created within us a being through which we humans can see His power, might, and greatness. Because if we didn't have that, we would say, okay, He created something very great and profound, but we don't have that thing to see it. Therefore, the Almighty has created something very great somewhere, but we can't see it. We might say there is no meaning, but that is not actually the case. As you can really and profoundly see, we indeed have the potential to truly perceive this. And, as the Almighty has truly said, step by step, we continually witness how the Supreme Creator has inscribed an absolute knowledge and will into existence, both on the micro and macro scale, beyond our imagination, as well as indeed beyond our comprehension. It indeed shows that we are in an environment that is truly in perfect harmony with these verses, and there is a direct and encompassing relationship between them. Nothing is wasteful, excessive, or coincidental in any way. Especially the idea of randomness is a superficial and shallow notion that doesn't even begin to touch the fundamental basics of logical reasoning in any meaningful way. To consider existence as a product of random, blind processes is, as I mentioned, a superficial and shallow foolishness in any meaningful sense. Just as the respect of a person who contemplates the knowledge and will of the Supreme Creator reaches the highest and most exalted peaks, this kind of thinking is at the lowest and most abysmal level of foolishness in any meaningful way. Because as humans decipher the knowledge and will in existence and put it down on paper mathematically and physically, they witness how the Supreme Creator intricately weaves His power and will into existence in various forms and manifestations, especially through knowledge and will in many ways and aspects. And the other says that in a blind process, what is not governed by randomness becomes random. We can call it nothing but the height of foolishness, indeed, truly, and undoubtedly. But the man who invented this did so to overlook the power that created it. He has a clear purpose and goal, and there is logic in what he does. You seem like you haven't understood the issue yet. So, they imitate it and believe in both unmanaged blind chance and still in Allah the Mighty and Majestic. So, one might ask the man, is the connection between your mind, brain, and mouth still functioning properly and accurately, or are you just pretending to be coherent and clearly aware of what you are saying?